Already know. yeah, this is famous. And I'm coming bringing you a fresh new motherfucking beat. Coming from the fucking infrared beamers. Teamers, you already know. Rolling in the fucking beamers, you already know. Infrared beam scheme team, you already know. What's cracking lacking? Infrared scheme team, triple beam team. You already know we fucking keep it hella fucking clean when we body through the fucking ghetto. You best fucking be about your fucking money coming at us. You already know the little youngsters coming fucking fresh and they're fucking ready to fucking earn their stripes like a motherfucking tiger. You already know they fucking keep it hella G. Man, for 5 for 1 is where I fucking been at for a minute. And now I gotta show my fucking love to the homie Tweety and the homie Bravo and the homie Droopy and the homie Philo and the fucking homie Spider. You already know Louie's in the motherfucking house, cause they fucking stay rapping for their fucking 5 for 1 too. You already know this is fucking famous and I'm fucking rolling hella G. You already know I'm fucking rolling in that fucking beamer. You already know. Infrared team, scheme, team, beam. You already know, bitch. Coming at you live, motherfucker. Here we go, here we go, here we go again. Buck, coming out from my fucking chrome. You already know. Buck, hollow domes. Aiming at your fucking bones from my motherfucking chrome. You already know. Buck, hollow domes from my fucking chrome. Aiming to your bones. You already know. Buck, hollow domes, coming at you motherfucking bones from my chrome. You already know, bitch, cause I'm coming and I'm fucking running. You always running from the lowest, most fucking hitting fucking fences, stuck in there and stashing on my motherfucking contraband. Cause you already know, contraband. You already know, cause I'm fucking never catching another fucking case. There's no fucking gun, there's no gun, there's no charge, there's no fucking way, there's no motherfucking charge. We keep it hella fucking fresh, and if you ain't coming with your fucking mind right, then it's fucking 2015 and we get our fucking money right. So we got the fucking best top of the line type of shit, and you already know Gucci and Louis Vuitton in the fucking house when we fucking walking through the fucking party. Hits like a chandelier, boys from the ghetto coming like a chandelier, looking hella bright. We fucking shine like fucking diamonds when we fucking always on the fucking block. You already know we stand out from the rest of them, cause we fucking get our money right. So buck, hollow domes, aiming at your bones from my chrome. Buck, hollow domes from my chrome, aiming at your bones. Buck, hollow domes from my chrome, aiming at your bones. Buck, hollow domes from my chrome, aiming at your fucking bones. Cause I'm running like a fucking gingerbread man, cause I'm running, always from the lowest sportsman, running, gunning, then fucking running and gunning. You already know, bitch, I just fucking dropped you this fresh one.